I'm Florian from WP Suspension, and I'm here today to show you and test some of the new XPLOR PRO components for the model year 24 Gas EC300. I will show you all the new components we have for this Enduro generation and guide you through the benefits and technical highlights. Here we have our XPLOR PRO 7548 spring fork. It consists of a fully pressurized closed cartridge system for tailor-made peak performance and consistent damping thanks to our proprietary cone valve technology. The cone-shaped valve eliminates the need for shim stack and prevents abrupt hardening or inconsistent dampening due to bent shims. This technology provides increased bottoming resistance, but also a more direct response on varying terrain. On this fork, we have 3 points of adjustability with compression and spring preload on the top cap, as well as rebound on the bottom of the fork leg. And all these settings are adjustable through our provided standard tools or a flat blade screwdriver. Here we have the XPLOR PRO 8950 rear shock, which provides a highly tunable base to set up for varying conditions and terrain. It provides high and low speed compression adjustability, high and low speed rebound adjustability, as well as a fully adjustable spring preload. Our proprietary SUPERTRAX technology on high speed rebound automatically registers when the rear wheel is in the air after a bump. Then it activates an oil bypass to increase rebound and bring the rear wheel quicker back to the ground. We also have the XPLOR PRO 8946 rear shock in a PDS setup for the KTM Enduro generation. For this new Enduro generation, we also have the factory triple clamp. Made from CNC machined aluminum and a black anodized surface for durability, it provides an optimized steering stem stiffness at the lightest possible weight. The optimized geometry and split clamping prevent ovalization of the fork outer tubes and thus prevent unrestricted movement throughout the suspension stroke. All this results in increased front wheel stability and improved traction and confidence for the rider. Our factory racing wheels consist of a fully CNC machined aluminum hub with black anodized surface, and they are paired to lightweight Exo Takasago rims. This results in a reduced weight and thus less unsprung mass compared to the standard wheels. We have reinforced spokes and anodized spoke nipples for increased impact resistance. Now we fully assembled the bike with the XPLOR PRO components. The rider can easily adjust and customize his settings to his riding level, riding preferences, or the varying terrain. But we also have a rider with us to show you the bike in action. So, thanks everyone for watching. If you want to know more about our WP XPLOR PRO components, visit our website or an authorized service center.